There's nothing like being around like-minded individuals who A, love the Lord, who B, love gear, and C, who just want to be around one another.
We're out here with our friends from Nisi, Kondor Blue, Rode, and Nanlite, building entire sets for people to get hands-on with the gear, from lighting to audio to picture, to make one entire piece together.
So we had 3 stations. It was Station A, Station B, Station C. A, cinematic; B, the basic setup for interview; and then C is just on the go, motion, how to capture, still get the best shot.
These events are fantastic to come out to meet people.
We got to touch the equipment, we got to hear experts talk about it. So if you're wrestling, I'm not sure if I'll gain anything from it, cut the light out, 10 out of 10.
The main thing that I walked away with today is that you need to do this with other people. You need to do creative work with other people. Doing it alone just comes with burnout. And so you have other people that you can rely on. Having community helps us get through some of the lows, but the people make lows highs because you get to do it together.
I suggest that you come out to the next ATL Church Creative event.
There's a great community here, very engaged, and just a ton of great people that love to share knowledge and learn from each other, expand and grow, and it's all of the best things about community.